What are the benefits of using a ceiling ambient light rejecting UST material compared to a flat panel TV? Flat panel TVs just don't offer the same cinematic experience as a two-piece projection system. Another challenge TVs face is viewing angles and glare. Glare can impact your viewing experience, especially in the daytime. Akia Screens offers a variety of ceiling ambient light rejecting materials for ultra short throw projectors to achieve a larger than life display. The CLR2, CLR3, and CLR4 technology feature a reflective layer that assures the projector light is reflected back to the viewer's eyes. This reflective layer feature eliminates light scatter in the room, which can reflect off the walls and affect the projection quality, particularly in a dark room environment. Another key feature of our CLR materials is the ability to absorb overhead ceiling light. This technology prevents the washout effect that typical matte white screens suffer from under overhead lighting. Another great advantage is that two-piece projection system's light source is reflected, unlike a TV that is emitted, which can cause eye strain. Replacing your TV for a true cinematic experience is simply the best option to enjoy a movie at home. Akia Screens. Get the big picture.